Hello, and welcome to another English listening practice story from SMARTROOTS Learning. Today's story is called The Rainy Day Adventure. Listen carefully and enjoy. It was Saturday morning, and the rain poured heavily outside. Emma and her little brother Tom watched from the window, feeling bored. Suddenly, Emma had an idea. "Let's put on our raincoats and boots," she said. Together they ran outside and jumped into the puddles. Splash, splash, water flew everywhere and they laughed loudly. Then they noticed a bright rainbow forming in the sky. "Wow, look at that!" Tom shouted with excitement. The children stood still, smiling at the colorful rainbow. Their rainy day had turned into a fun adventure. Thank you for listening to the Rainy Day Adventure. We hope you enjoyed the story and practiced your English listening skills. Don't forget, you can download the free worksheet for the story from the description. See you in the next listening practice.